Hello, today we will guide you through how to convert Canva slides to PowerPoint or Microsoft Word. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on exporting a Canva presentation into a format you can use outside Canva, especially in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're preparing slides for sharing, editing offline, or using them in a different Microsoft app workflow, this process is quick and straightforward once you know where to click. To begin, open your Canva presentation. Make sure you're on the presentation you want to convert before moving forward. It's helpful to quickly review your slides at this stage so you know you're exporting the correct file. This can save time if you have multiple designs in your Canva account. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the top right area of the screen. This is where Canva places the share option, which is the starting point for exporting your design. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Canva occasionally updates its layout, but the share button is typically still located in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click Share. This will open a menu with several options for sending, presenting, or exporting your design. Since the goal here is to convert the presentation into a file you can use in Microsoft programs, the next step is to look for the download option within that menu. Click Download. After selecting it, Canva will show you different file types you can export your presentation as. This is where you choose the format that best matches how you want to use the file afterward. From the list of file types, select PPTX. This is the PowerPoint presentation format, and it's the correct choice if you want to open your Canva slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. Choosing this format preserves the presentation structure so your slides can be used more easily in PowerPoint after the download is complete. After selecting PPTX, click Download again to confirm. Canva will begin preparing your file and then save it to your device. Depending on the size of the presentation and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the file finishes downloading, you can open it in Microsoft PowerPoint and review the slides. If your end goal is to use the content in Microsoft Word, starting with the PowerPoint export is often the first step, since Canva provides the presentation download in PPTX format. From there, you can continue working with the content in Microsoft's tools as needed. That's it. You've successfully exported your Canva slides into a PowerPoint-compatible file, making it easier to continue editing, sharing, or repurposing your presentation outside of Canva.